Hello there. In my previous video I was showing you how to load an image file and show it to our Unity UI canvas like this, but there is no problem in our Unity editor. But if I try it in my mobile device, the imported image is rotated like you see here. The image is rotated, and then I tried to find some forum and I found this discussion in this forum, and let's try to use this Kuahuna Shoba solution. It is a function to rotate the texture 2D. So I'm going to copy this texture 2D function and place it in my script. If you did not watch my previous video, find out the link in the description of this video so you can see how I did make it. I paste the function here, texture 2D, rotate texture 2D. So I will call this function right after I load the image. Let's try here, texture.load image. Then here I will call the function rotate texture. It takes two parameters, the texture and the boolean variable, clockwise or anti-clockwise. In my case, the image was rotated anti-clockwise, so I need to rotate it back clockwise. Then I will pass the true boolean parameter here. Okay, I saved the file and now I stop my Unity, then play it again. I expect the image that is being displayed in this UI image is rotated clockwise. So if I build my Android APK file and run it on my Android device, I expect it will be rotated. Yeah, you know what I mean. There will be no rotation issue in the Android device anymore because I already apply this, I already called this function. So let me just browse an image file and open it. So the image file is not rotated. Okay, here we need to do it this way. Texture should be equal to rotate texture. Let's try this one. Okay, browse an image. Alright, it is working. It is rotated clockwise because in my Android device it was rotated anti-clockwise, and the result is like this. Then later when I run this app again, it will not rotate it anti-clockwise like this because it is rotated back clockwise. Okay, I will not try it on my device right now, and I'm pretty sure that it will solve this problem. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye. See you next time.